What's up, YouTube? Thanks for watching my video on how to stripe a lawn. Let's see if this video can get
1,000 views.
The first cut style that I'm showing you, I just consider a standard back and forth cut that is used best on most residential lawns. Just outline the yard and then cut back and forth for a simple line pattern. This seems to be just basically the fastest way to cut the lawn, and one upside of using this standard cut is that if you normally cut back and forth, north and south, then on the opposite weeks or every other time you cut your lawn, you can cut east and west to create a checkerboard pattern. The second cut that I'm showing you, I consider slightly more advanced, but it's really not hard at all to do. This straight diagonal cut that I refer to it as is useful because it counteracts the lines you laid previously using the back and forth cut. This cut is slightly more time consuming due to the fact that you initially cut a strip diagonally across the lawn and work your way out to the corners. Although the condition of the lawn in this clip right here is not 100% lush or anything like that, but it is easy to see the back and forth I used going from closest to far away in the yard, and then the following week using the straight diagonal to change the pattern and create somewhat of a diamond.